everyone, Grandma Bev from Life with Grandma Bev. And today I'm going to do a huge QVC haul. Now I've just been letting them pile up as they've been coming, so let's get started. I haven't even tried some of them on yet, so we'll see. Oh, come on, where's it? I need to try some of these on for Bobby, so I know whether to keep them too. Keep them in order here on my floor. I thought this was kind of a cute one, a cute pattern, V-neck. See the patterns on it? I mean, wouldn't that be cute on a cruise ship? I have so many things. This is the Denim & Company. I got an extra large in it, made in Vietnam. And the material is machine wash, 95 cotton, 5 spandex is what they call their perfect jersey. That's that one. Let's see, and we have, oops, I'm stuck on the table. I know I don't need these, but they're cute. And I do go through my closet a lot and take out shirts I haven't been wearing. Some of them I have listed right now on eBay. So if you want to go in and check my eBay listings, I'll put my, in my description, my eBay name, you can go and check them out. Let's see, this is another Denim & Company. Different kind of material I thought it would be, but it's got a little, little scoop neck gathering up through here. I got a size large in this one, and this material, more like a crepey. It's 95 poly, 5 spandex. Just feels different. It's not regular t-shirt material. I don't know if you can tell, but see the pattern? Isn't it cute? It's got palm trees and stuff like that on it. Short sleeve. Another one I haven't tried on yet. Well, I don't think I've tried any of these on. Though some are repeats. Okay, this one. This is a heather gray. I got a tall, and it's they're, lounge pants for around the house. I live in these things when I'm... Just a plain old simple elastic waist. And this one is Zuda. Extra large tall, made in China. That's a QVC brand. I haven't tried this brand before, but you can see it's more like the heathered pockets. Workable drawstring. They should be fairly long. They're not real heavy. Now, when I post these, or this video, I'll put the prices I paid. Let's see, keep the bags together. And we have, okay, you see the top I have on? That came with this one, so it was a twofer. And it's, Susan Graver brand, and a lot of times she has the twofers, which I like to get, because I feel like I'm getting more when I get twofers. So she always sends a solid and a print, and this red one came with it. Sorry about that sun coming in. So this time I got a large, because the others I have are extra larges. And as I'm losing weight, I think this one's a large. So it's, fits okay now. And then also in that bag is, and I should say about these, they're made out of her liquid knit, which is just wonderful. It never fades, never pills, never grows old. It just throw it in the washer, dryer, out it comes. Always looks new. Years and years after you've had it. So these are great for traveling because see, they're that flimsy material. So you can rinse it out and probably within an hour it'd be dry, you know, if you're on vacation. Okay, this one is another Denim company. And you can see it's stripes. It's got a couple of buttons down the front. The stripes are in navy, light blue, white. Short sleeve. It's more like a, you can see, kind of a crepey kind of material, gauze. And it's made out of 65 cotton, 34 poly, and 1% elastane. And I got this in an extra large because I find a lot of times the gauzy type ones, they run small. That's all that was in that bag. I think there's another one here, the same, yeah. This is the same shirt. And this one, that'd be pretty on a cruise. These colors are, you know, like turquoise, aqua, and white. Buttons down the front, same material, exactly the same. I just ordered two. I got $3 off by ordering a second one off this price. And the price is on this one? No. And the last package. Oh, this would be simple. I decided to bring on my trip just a plain white shirt. And this is from the Denim company, Essentials, where the essentials are ones they generally always carry. So they're your classic day-to-day styles that just don't change. I wanted a nice fresh white one. And this is I got an extra large because I haven't decided what pants I'm bringing. I keep changing every night in my head what I'm gonna bring. I've got some like that are navy, well, look like this almost. Navy with dots on it. I've got some that are like the little pinstripe ones, and what else? A couple of things that would go really well. Or even the red. I've got some with the red dots. You know, just a plain white shirt would look great with those. Don't typically wear white, but I decided to have a white shirt alone. Gosh, is that it? I went through that pretty fast, didn't I? So what y'all think? Let me take a swig here. Okay, so today we went to Walmart, and I thought I'd do a haul there, but you know, I didn't find a darn thing. Nothing there. Bob got his 2 big bottles of vinegar to kill the weeds. That's it. And we went to Home Depot looking for, we want a big umbrella to put between our, you know, chairs when we sit out there for happy hour. They didn't hardly have anything. I couldn't believe it. And then they wonder why we go online and buy things. So, you know. So, that's it. As far as my QVC goes. So what do you all think? You like them? Share, like, subscribe, and I'm still struggling to get up to my last 700. So, cat here. So help me get there, and there'll be something for you. It'll be another big giveaway. And remember to check out my eBay site. I'll be adding more stuff, but this was the first bunch. I think I put like 20, 21, 22, 23, something like that, items on it, and they're all like shirts and things. So, hope you're having a good day. It's sunny out here today, and it's supposed to be warming up. So, I love you all. Bye.